Did you know 70 to 80% of Forex traders lose money? Yet, millions dive into Forex dreaming of fast cash. Hi, we are GoldPulse, and today, we're exposing the hidden risks of Forex trading that no one talks about. In just 6 minutes, you'll learn 5 critical risks that could wipe out your account, and how to avoid them. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned trader, this video is a must-watch. Stick around, hit that like button, and let's dive in. Forex, or foreign exchange, is the world's largest financial market, trading over $7 trillion daily. It's where you buy and sell currencies, like the US dollar or euro, to profit from price changes. Sounds exciting, right? But behind the hype, there are risks that can crush unprepared traders. Let's uncover the top 5 hidden dangers you need to know. Forex brokers offer insane leverage, like 100 to 1 or even 500 to 1. This means you can control $10,000 with just $100. Sounds great, but it's a double-edged sword. A small price move against you can wipe out your account. For example, a 1% drop in a leverage trade could mean a 100% loss. Tip: stick to low leverage, like 10 to 1, and never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account per trade. Not all Forex brokers are legit. Some unregulated ones manipulate prices, delay withdrawals, or vanish with your money. In 2023, scams cost traders millions. Tip: only trade with brokers regulated by trusted authorities like the FCA, ASIC, or CFTC. Check reviews on sites like Trustpilot before depositing. Forex is an emotional roller coaster. Fear and greed can lead to impulsive trades, like chasing losses or overtrading after a win. Studies show emotional traders lose 3x more than disciplined ones. Tip: create a trading plan with strict entry and exit rules, and stick to it, no exceptions. Forex markets can be wild. News like interest rate changes or geopolitical events can spike prices instantly. In 2015, the Swiss franc surged 30% in minutes, wiping out traders. Tip: use stop-loss orders to limit losses, and avoid trading during major news events unless you're experienced. New traders often fall for flashy indicators or guru systems promising 90% win rates. Spoiler: they don't work. Complex strategies lead to confusion and mistakes. Tip: master one simple strategy, like price action, and practice it on a demo account for at least 3 months. To recap, Forex trading is exciting but risky. Protect yourself by using low leverage, choosing regulated brokers, sticking to a trading plan, setting stop losses, and keeping your strategy simple. Start with a demo account to practice risk-free, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. Forex isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a skill that takes time to master. Want to learn more? Check out my live Forex and gold trading, and drop a comment with your biggest Forex question. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more trading tips. Share this video with anyone thinking about Forex, it could save their account. Check out the links below for more resources, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning, stay disciplined, and trade smart.